here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace, sandwiched between Franklin and Vinny today, and we're doing something pretty special. What are we doing?
We're not making a sandwich, but we're doing something really special for summertime. We're gonna do a grilled peach and ricotta salad. We got white peaches, we got pluots, we got plums. So we just cut around it like an avocado, give it a little twist. Now that our peaches are pitted, we're gonna add a little olive oil, just rub it in on there, and we're gonna put them right down. Franklin, where is this cheese made?
It's a historical cheese making facility in Lazio, Italy.
That's very cool.
Let's get a couple of dollops of cheese in here. We're not going for too much. We're gonna take these peaches off now, all right?
All right, I see the marking.
So now we're gonna just give them some nice wedge cuts here. This one's gonna go right here.
Be attention to detail.
Now we finish, ready?
Yes.
Honey, the real stuff. We're gonna get it on here and we're gonna drizzle.
Oh.
Franklin, you're on pistachio duty, go ahead. Get it, yeah.
That's good.
Crumbled pistachios, Lily, mint. That is grilled stone fruit with
Fresh ricotta di amatrice, imported right from Lazio, Italy.
And you know what? You don't have to say it. If you can't pronounce it, just go and buy it and try this at home. You'll find the recipe on our website, newsfeld.com. Thanks, guys. Amazing.
Thank you.
my pleasure as always. Our pleasure.
What a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.